Hi. What's this? Is this from Auntie Christina? Oh no. Here, pull it out. Julie, Jenny. Oh, wow. Is it nice? Is that nice? Say thank you, Auntie Christina. You like it? Oh, from Auntie Christina. It says, my sweet goddaughter, wish I could be with you on your special day. Can't wait to give you a big hug in July. Love, your Auntie Christina. Is that nice? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.